Hi, I'm Dennis with John Deere and just wanted to take a minute to talk about precision upgrade kits for planters. So here on this display stand, we do have a row unit for a planter, and really we have this here to illustrate that depending on the planter that we have, we actually have the option to upgrade older model planters back to certain maintenance up to newer technology, very similar to what we're offering on new planters from the factory today. So just as an example, here we've got an exact drill unit, we've got pneumatically adjusted drill cleaners, we've got pneumatically adjusted closing wheels. We've also on this system here, we've got the exact shot fertilizer dosing system. Things that we do available from the factory on new planters, but in these instances, some of these things we can install on the planters back to roughly 2005, depending on what it happens. You have the hydraulic downforce here as well. So the hydraulic downforce, the high-speed exact engines, pneumatic row cleaners, closing wheels, those we could go back to about 2005, depending on the planter that we have. The exact shot system is unique to more recent model years of planters. But again, overall, just wanted to kind of discuss with people that we do have the option to add newer technology back to older planters in some cases. So please, as always, you should look up John Deere for more information.